We're rolling?
We're rolling.
Which camera did I look into again?
This is
Oh,
good.
okay, there you go. Thank you for tuning in to another episode of Shoe Care Academy. What a year 2022 has been, and I want to thank you guys personally for tuning in, subscribing to our channel. You guys don't have to do that. There's so much content out there to view. So just thank you from Mr. RESHOEVN8R and the RESHOEVN8R team. Thank you for tuning in as we provide you this content and how to clean specific shoes. In addition to Vic's videos, shout out to Vic, the homie over there. We do these videos to teach you guys how to clean shoes. But again, thank you for the continued support. Looking forward to 2023. Thank you again. If you're not a subscriber, make sure you subscribe to our channel right now. We're gonna be doing a bunch of giveaways and cool things this year. So make sure you tune into that. Now I got these things. I'm not sure if this was a cruel joke for me for the first cleaning of 2023 or not. They said, hey, can you do a cleaning this week? And I'm like, sure, I'll do a cleaning. And then I come in and I see these damn things. So as you, oh my God. Yeah. So we got our work cut out for us. We're not gonna make a complete mess here. We're gonna have to take these things outside, knock some of this dirt off. Honestly, I'm just speechless. Let's go. All right guys, you know we only clean one shoe so we can show you before and after purposes. Of course it's raining out here, so let's go over here. Again, I'm just gonna knock some of this dirt off. All right, this thing's still pretty disgusting. We're just gonna go in there. We're gonna make a little muddy mess, but we'll clean it up. Let's do it. Okay, we're back in from outside. These things, still dirty, but not quite as bad. We're gonna go ahead and get to cleaning. We have our signature kit here today. Just in case we need to put them in the washing machine, I always recommend getting the signature kit if you're interested in a sneaker cleaner because the diversity. You can put them in the washing machine or you can do a quick clean. So the signature kit you can find at RESHOEVN8R.com. Highly recommend that. That is really what we're known for. Without further ado, let's get started. We're gonna take our shoe tree that comes in our signature kit. I'm gonna adjust it to size. I think this is probably gonna be the size we need. Yep, and that allows you to apply pressure on the toe box when cleaning. You're gonna get a more effective clean that way. Let's take out these laces. All right, we're just gonna set the laces right here. Normally, I might put them in there just so they could soak, but they're black, they'll be easy to clean, and this water's gonna get so dirty, doesn't make sense to put them in there now. So before I make a complete muddy mess, we're just gonna dry brush some of this. Okay, let's let this dust settle and we'll get to cleaning. We do have our solution. I'm gonna go ahead and just do a couple squirts, as Vic would say. All right, now that we got most of this caked on dirt off of here, we're gonna go ahead and get to cleaning. We're just gonna go jump right into the medium bristle brush. I don't see a reason to use the soft on this one in particular, just because of how dirty they are. I know I'm gonna have to go straight to this. So without further ado, let's get to cleaning. I did prepare though, and I have extra towels and extra cleaning mats because we are gonna get muddy. When you're cleaning the shoe this dirty, you're gonna wanna watch your water, make sure you change your water multiple times, maybe even rinse out your brushes, clean up your station, because this shoe is just so filthy that at some point you're just rubbing dirt and just scrubbing dirt around. Now that we've done that, our water's pretty dirty as you can see. We're gonna go ahead and just wipe this down and then we're gonna come back to it and do the finishing touches before they go in the washing machine. The only reason I'm gonna put these in the washing machine really is because the insides are filthy too, and it's gonna be the best way to clean them. So let's see what they look like. All right, so we just changed the water out, put a little more solution in there. I am gonna move on to the soft bristle brush now that I can see what's happening here. The lining is a little too delicate to use the medium brush with. So on the back side of this tongue, you can see a bunch of dirt inside the lining. So we're gonna go ahead and use this one now. That's the benefit of having this kit too. Comes with 3 different brushes and the ability to put them in the washing machine. This soft brush is great because it won't snag this material and it won't damage the inside liner. I always like to say, let the brush do the work. Again, you want to be gentle, even though it's a soft brush on the inside of the tongue. You still want to be gentle. You don't need to apply too much pressure. So now we're on to the last brush, the stiff bristle brush here. This is going to allow us to really dig into this midsole and undersole and get everything as clean as possible. Whether or not you're cleaning shoes or a Bred 11 or any shoe with our products, having multiple brushes is key because every material is different and you're gonna get a much more effective clean using the right brush. Cleaning this entire shoe with a toothbrush just does not make sense. I hate when I hear people say, oh, just use a toothbrush. Does not work the same. I'll challenge you any day. Let me know, DM us, we'll make it happen. So, let's dig in. Again, just letting the brush do the work. This is a stiff bristle brush, so it is made to clean different materials. You don't need to apply too much pressure and bend the bristles. Hit the midsole. I'm just gonna wipe it down just to see if there's anything that I missed, but I think I did a pretty good job. Miguel had me clean the midsole for like 10 minutes. So I think that's very, very clean. Shout out to Miguel. We do still have dirt inside it. So the shoe looks great overall. Honestly, if it wasn't so dirty inside, I wouldn't even put it in the washing machine. So we can get a thorough clean. We're gonna go ahead and put this thing in our sneaker laundry bag. The shoe tree's in it. You keep your shoe tree inside while you put them in the washing machine. That way it maintains the form the whole time it's in the washing machine. So don't forget to do that. I see some people taking the shoe tree out. This is meant to be washed. So let's go ahead and put this in here. Next thing we're gonna do, go ahead and take these laces. And since they're going in the machine, we don't need to do a crazy clean on them. We'll just get most of this nasty, muddy, dirty water out of here. And then we'll just throw these right in here. We have a special pocket in our laundry bag. Put your shoelaces right in there, and then we'll use our laundry detergent, put those in the same pocket, tighten this thing up, go throw these in the washing machine, and we'll be back when they dry. Let's go. All right, luckily, if you're listening to me, we got a washer and dryer in the building. So we're gonna go right in here. I guess they knew I was coming. I don't know. Let's go ahead and take one of these that I got. We'll put it in our little thing right there. Tighten this up. Make sure this is secure. Sometimes, just to be safe so it doesn't open, let's go ahead and do this. Throw these in there. We want to do, I think this would be good with a quick wash, to be honest with you. That we don't want. We want it cold. And then looks good. Hit start. All right, we'll be back in 41 minutes. We'll let them dry and then we'll show you the results. Peace. Okay, we let these dry. They're clean, they look great. I'm super excited with how these turned out. Obviously, they look like this. Now it looks like this. Don't be afraid to wear your shoes, guys. Trust me, we can clean them for you. We used our signature kit on this process so we could put them in the washing machine. They came out good, smelling good. The inside's clean. Everything is just looking stellar. So don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. Big things coming in 2023. Again, thank you so much for tuning in. We really appreciate you guys, watching our videos and following our content. So if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. If you have any complaints, leave them in the comments below. And that's really gonna be it. Mr. RESHOEVN8R signing off.